So I've been trying to come up with what I'm going to do this week for a video. I recorded a recipe, but it's just not up to my liking. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that recipe and add it to a video compilation of other recipes that are just not good or like worth it in my opinion. But it's still content that I want to put out, and it'll just be on a random day. It won't be on a day that I upload a recipe video, so look out for that at some point. But for today, I'm just going to talk about what I'm grateful for. Since this is Thanksgiving in the US, it seems appropriate. So, I'm thankful for my family. Obviously, I wouldn't have gotten as far as I have with anything that I've done without them. I include friends in this because I don't have a crazy amount of friends, but the ones I do have are awesome. So they're pretty much family to me too, because I can call on them anytime just like I would family. And I hope they know that they can call on me whenever they need me as well. So if you're watching this and you're a family or a friend, just remember that. I'm grateful for this restaurant because without it and the owner, I wouldn't even know half the things I know now. Here I've been given the opportunity to be as creative and as open as I want to be. Along the way, made some great friends and work with a bunch of awesome people. They're assholes, but I still love them. Even when I'm not here as much anymore, it still feels like home when I walk in, so it's always great to be here, and I will always be grateful that I've gotten the opportunity to be here and learn how to tear down a kitchen and rebuild a kitchen and cook food and experiment with things, and it was life-changing working here. I'm thankful for Blue because he's a wild animal. Just look at him. I'm grateful for all of you because I wouldn't be making videos if you weren't watching or subscribing, which you should do if you haven't already. And it's just very nice to know that things that I make are being viewed. This year's been the most consistent year I've had with YouTube, and I've been doing it on and off for very many years, just not even close to what this consistency has been, but it's just something that I've wanted for a long time. And it feels closer to being an actual reality that I can do this as a thing, as a job maybe. I know I'm in a niche market, I know I've added things that people don't like, and this is how it is, but I'm very grateful for all the ones that are sticking around and the ones that are commenting and interacting with me, because I do like talking to you. So if you're watching this, happy Thanksgiving. If you don't celebrate Thanksgiving, happy Thursday. Hope it's a great Thursday for all of you. Enjoy the time you have with your family if you're doing that. If you're not doing that, enjoy the time you have with yourself. And I will see y'all next week with a new recipe.